To create a new file, click on the File option and select New. Then, specify the desired name and size for the file. For instance, you can set the width to 1500 pixels and the height to 1000 pixels. Once you have entered the details, click on the Create button. This will create a new file with the specified dimensions. Let's do a simple banner design by using a rectangle and text tool. Select the rectangle marquee tool to create a rectangle shape. Create a new layer for the rectangle shape, select the layer to color, and right-click. Select the blending option and choose the color you want. To fill in the color, use the shortcut, Ctrl plus Backspace. Finally, press Ctrl plus D to unselect the part you have selected. You can use the Move tool to adjust the design or move it around as needed. To add an image to your design, drag and drop the image from your system onto the artboard. Once it appears on the canvas, select the image layer. You can then resize the image by clicking and dragging the corner edges. To make the image visible, move the image layer to the top in the layer panel. Use the Move tool to adjust the position of the image as needed. To add text to your design, click the Text tool and start typing. To change the font, color, and other text properties, open the Character panel from the Window option. When creating new shapes or designs, it's important to create a new layer for each element to keep your design organized. Save the file in PSD format so that it can be easily edited later. We can save or export the file as a JPEG or PNG format.